If you like to go camping often with your friends or family and enjoy cooking there, a high-quality rocket stove is what you definitely need. The rocket stoves are incredibly efficient, require minimal fuel, and produce very little smoke whatsoever. They are excellent not just because of their social and environmental benefits, but also for economic reasons. So whether you are searching to save money, build an affordable, portable, and efficient camping stove, or just have a backup in case of emergencies, a rocket stove is a no-brainer. For this reason, we have compiled the top 5 portable rocket stoves available today. Let's begin.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Lineslife is a brand that is quite famous in the market for selling high-quality portable rocket stove options at affordable prices. This stove's dimensions are 10 by 5 by 10 inches, so it is quite compact and highly portable too. It is built using stainless steel and comes with a cast iron cooktop which is quite tough and solid. Also, this rocket stove is made of 0.5 cold rolled sheet which is more durable and anti-rust for long-time use. You can use biomass which adds wood, branches, leaves, charcoal, etc. to light up the stove. On the other hand, its design is pretty attractive and convenient for the users as this stove is designed with stainless steel handles with silicone greaves that will assist you in moving it. Additionally, it just weighs 10 pounds. Plus, it is equipped with a durable Oxford storage bag, with which you can carry the stove anywhere easily. All in all, this rocket stove is suitable for camping, grilling, emergency preparedness, survival, and other outdoor activities or indoor occasion. The rocket stove from Marsh Kettles is an impressive tool for any survivalist or prepper. It packs flat for simple storage or transportation, making it suitable for cooking meals on the move. Made in the USA using durable stainless steel, the sturdy stove simply accommodates pots and skillets that are 3 quads or larger. Marsh Kettles uses a gravity self-feeding method with this stove that's pulled off wonderfully. Amazingly, the Marsh Kettles slot together for easy setup and break down in less than 3 minutes. As a result, it is an ideal stove for camping, cookouts, scout trips, and survivalist. This is a sweet design and it works even better. Not only is this Marsh Kettle stove lightweight and convenient, but it's easy to assemble, simple to ignite and feed. In addition, this stove comes in a wonderful burlap sack to stop any edges from cutting anywhere in your pack. Finally, if you're willing to spend a little extra, the Marsh Kettles rocket stove will be the only rocket stove you ever buy. Capable of accommodating any size pot or pan due to its ultra-wide surface, the StarBlue camping rocket stove is a stove for campers who want to feel limitless. The stove is quite spatial as it is made from low-carbon steel. Also, it has been painted with high-temperature resistant paint which prevents it from rusting. As a result, it is ideal to use outdoors and it is even quite portable as well. The dimensions of this stove are 16 by 8 by 16 inches, so it is quite a decent size for a rocket stove. This stove is designed in a way so that you can simply assemble or disassemble it in a few easy steps. Another thing that you'll love is the functional design with an 8.66-inch crossbar and grate, delivering a stable platform for cooking. To use the stove, all you require to do is collect a handful of wooden sticks and use them as fuel. Additionally, this stove even arrives with a carry bag, so you can efficiently pack it and carry it around pretty easily. So, this rocket stove is an awesome pick if you're searching for a way to cook up a full meal with just a handful of sticks. If you're looking for an affordable rocket stove option, the EcoZoom is one of the best brands that you can consider. Featuring a 10.5-inch wide cast iron top, the stove can handle both flat-bottom Dutch ovens and round-bottom pots. Its walls are insulated with ceramic fiber, keeping the heat and flames inside the oven. This rocket stove is pretty energy efficient as it delivers optimal heat for cooking while consuming less amount of fuel. You can use both wood and charcoal in this rocket stove, which is good. Plus, the size of this stove is very small and its dimensions are 10.5 by 10.5 by 10.5 inches. This stove can be run in any biomass and cool as well. Moreover, it has stick support, making it simple to fit longer sticks or even small branches, keeping your fire burning while you cook for many. This stove even comes with handles on both sides, and the converted stainless steel handles permit you to move or adjust the stove as needed. Overall, this rocket stove will be the best camping wood stove if you are looking to cook for a family or even a crowd. TAFEIDA is one such brand that has become so famous because of the amazing and innovative design of its rocket stove. You'll notice that this rocket stove comes with separate inlets for air and fuel, which makes it way more energy efficient. Also, thanks to the alloy steel construction, this stove is pretty rugged and built to last for years. This stove's 45 degrees inclined inlet makes it easier for you to add fuel to the furnace. However, when fully assembled, the dimensions of this rocket stove are 14 by 5 by 20.86 inches, so this stove is large enough to help you cook food quickly. Moreover, this rocket stove has adjustable 360 degrees rateable air inlet port. As for fuel, you can only use wood with this rocket stove, which should not be difficult to find when you are out camping. In addition, the stove arrives at detachable pods, so packing it into a small form factor is absolutely possible. However, the spatial rocket stove can fulfill all your outdoor needs like hunting, camping, fishing, hiking, picnic, barbecuing, or etc.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.